Hello, today we are going to have a quick look at file and folder permissions. Okay, first, we click on the file folder. Then right click and click properties. After that, go to the security and then go to the advanced. Over here, if we see that folder is basically by clicking over here, administrator. All this is grayed out basically showing that it is inherited mission. Next, we need to disable inheritance for first. Now we can add. Now that we can give this person full control. Full control basically as the name those are read, write, modify, change and etc. We can only apply this permission to object or containers within this container. So basically it's not going anywhere. The permissions with the full control is given anything basically a few things to think about is basically are you able to read attribute the special extradition data on files and folders attributes. Delete some folders and files if you have this tick. On tick, and if this is ticked, it's still gonna give the person permission to delete the file and folder. So make sure those two go good together. You can remove permission for the user to create folders, append data, add extra data. Then create files, write data. You can basically either add or remove permissions for a user. Let's click OK. And now this person has been given full control. We have also had a look at inheritance. We might want to look at ownership of files and folders. Before we do that, now for example, change it to the administrator. There we go. And now let's change. Now let's change the owner. Basically, the owner has full control over it, and the owner basically like the owner of property has all the rights and permissions and authority to basically grant permissions to other users to remove permission from other users. So by being the owner, you can basically in control of that object via the folder, subfolder, etc. You can add extra users over here. You can grant their permissions based on the list that I show you. And this is ideal in a network environment where you want to basically either prohibit or grant other people access to files. And you want to fine tune if so, for example, you might want to give access to people in the IT department. Shall we say view that accounts department files. They might need to do it for like a security reason or whenever or an admin reason. However, you don't want them to change anything, so you might disable certain IT users from having access to being able to certain files. You might also want to block off certain folders completely from certain users. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching and have a good day.